How to make a dynamic weather system in Roblox. So if you want to make a dynamic weather system in your Roblox, then what you need to do is just simply select your template at first. Once you've selected, here on the left side, you need to just go with the drop down and then select the plugins option. Now under plugins, you need to search for weather system. And here you'll need to just simply go with this one. And you need to just go with install. You'll have the install option on the bottom. You just need to simply go and install it. Once it's installed, now you need to go with OK. And you need to just go with the plugin section, which is on the top. So just remove this. And here you need to go with plugins. Select the weather system and click on install and update system. Go with allow. Once you've done, you can just simply go with the settings option and you can just adjust your settings. Once you've done with it, now you need to close and you need to go with the home tab and you can play. That's how you can make a dynamic weather system in your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.